Here are some dangerous Russian artillery systems. The first is Koalitsiya-SV. The 2S-35 Koalitsiya-SV is a new Russian self-propelled howitzer. It is a successor to the 2S-19S. It is also intended to replace aging Russian 152mm artillery systems. Currently it is one of the most capable howitzers in the world. The first demonstrator was completed in 2006. This unique self-propelled howitzer had two 152mm guns. It used a number of components from the previous 2S-19S. The twin-barrel Koalitsiya-SV demonstrator had a higher rate of fire than current artillery systems. It could fire at a rate of around 16 rounds per minute. This demonstrator had a fully automatic ammunition loading and handling systems. Koalitsiya-SV it has unmanned turret and is armed with a 152mm gun. It utilizes a modular charge system. This artillery system can fire a wide range of munitions, including standard and rocket-assisted HEFRAG projectiles, cluster projectiles with anti-tank submunitions, jammer-carrying projectiles. Range of fire with standard projectile is around 30 km and around 40 km with rocket-assisted projectile. A new long-range precision-guided round has been developed in Russia. It has a maximum range of 70 km and high level of accuracy. Koalitsiya-SV it is also capable of firing older Krasnopol laser-guided munitions with a maximum range of 20 to 25 km. This artillery system carries impressive onboard ammunition supply of around 60 to 70 rounds. It has an ammunition reloading system at the rear of the turret that is used to load ammunition directly from resupply trucks. The Koalitsiya-SV has an automatic targeting and charge selection system. Vehicle has a remotely controlled weapon station, armed with a 12.7mm machine gun. It can be used for self-defense against air and ground targets. The Koalitsiya-SV has a high level of automation. Armor of this vehicle protects the crew against small arms fire and artillery shell splinters. Vehicle is also fitted with NBC protection and automatic fire suppression systems. Koalitsiya-SV has a high level of automation. It allowed to reduce the crew to just 3 members, including commander, gunner, and driver. Crew members are located in a well-protected compartment at the front of the hull. Next, 2S7 Pion. The 2S7 Pion is a 203mm self-propelled gun. This artillery system was first observed by Western intelligence in 1975. It is the most powerful conventional artillery system in the world. It was designed to engage remote and important enemy targets, such as hostile command posts. Entered service with the Soviet Army in 1976. The 2S7 Pion is armed with a powerful 203mm gun, fitted with a load-assisting system. It fires ordinary and rocket-assisted HEFRAG projectiles, chemical and nuclear projectiles. A standard HEFRAG projectile weighs 110 kg and contains 17.8 kg of explosives. It has a maximum range of 37.5 km. The rocket-assisted projectile weighs 103 kg and contains 13.8 kg of explosives. It has a maximum range of 47.5 kg. Ammunition load of the 2S7 Pion consists of only 8 shells. Only 4 shells are carried by this artillery system, remaining 4 shells are carried by escorting vehicle. Maximum rate of fire is 1.5 rounds per minute. The 2S7 Pion has a crew of 14. However, only 7 crew members are seated inside the vehicle and remaining are carried by an escorting truck or armored personnel carrier. The only defensive armament carried by Pion, besides crew individual weapons, is a portable air defense missile launcher. The 2S7 Pion uses a tracked chassis that was designed specifically for this artillery system. It uses a number of automotive components from the T-72 and T-80 main battle tanks. It is powered by a V46-1 turbocharged diesel engine, developing 750 horsepower. This artillery system is also fitted with auxiliary power unit, developing 24 horsepower and powering all systems when the main engine is shut down. And last is 2S5 Giatsint-S. The 2S5 Giatsint-S 152mm self-propelled gun began in 1968. The 2S5 self-propelled howitzer entered service with the Soviet Army in 1976. Production ceased in the early 1990s. The 2S5 Giatsint had a significantly longer range of fire, as well as higher rate of fire. Furthermore, it was capable of firing nuclear projectiles. The Giatsint was intended to be used against important enemy targets. The 2S5 Giatsint is fitted with a turretless 152mm/L54 gun. This gun is completed with load assisting system. Maximum rate of fire is 5 to 6 shells per minute. The Giatsint fires standard and rocket-assisted HEFRAG, heat, cluster, and smoke shells. Maximum range of fire with the standard HEFRAG shell is 28.4 km and up to 33 km with rocket-assisted shell. The 2S5 is capable of firing special shells with 0.1 to 2 kT nuclear charges. Full ammunition load consists of 60 shells, however only 30 shells are carried by the artillery system. Other shells are carried by an escorting resupply truck. It takes 3 minutes to prepare this artillery system for firing. Hull of the Giatsint is armored. It provides protection against small arms fire and artillery shell splinters. However, in combat order, this artillery system offers virtually no protection for the gun crew, as its light shielding of the gun protects only the gunner.